Hey sculpting friends and family. I just wanted to thank all of you for participating with me during this past Sculpt-A-Thon that I did this last week, and I'm continuing ahead but starting to do the projects that I'll be working on each month, like the sculpt box, and I'm hoping to do at least one new kit, but we'll see. I'm just starting with the sculpt box first and the few items that I have available in the shop, and then most everything on automatic download. So it's nice and easy for you to access and make sure that you get fast access to your videos. I know some of you have been following my situation after having another just a time of getting sick, and then it kind of just zapped my energy again during the Christmas time. I'm just trying to fix some situations in my life right now and make sure that I've got a stable situation, that I can stay in this cute little home that I have here. I love the land for it and for my animals. And anyway, it looks like I may be able to get some type of loan so I can have a little bit more time to pay that off, to catch up on my rent. So right now, the next thing that I needed to get solved right away is my storage unit. So when I moved a couple months ago, this place is so tiny, and there's going to be a shed being built, and it's in the process right now, but it's not there yet. And so I had stuff that was left in storage, and then as I was having trouble with my health and income getting going, that's been sitting there in storage, and as soon as you're late, you basically don't have access to any of it, which was kind of unfortunate because I had several items of furniture and such that I had set aside to be selling to be able to cover the cost of that storage unit in the first place, but I no longer had access to it. Anyway, it's at the point where it's about to go to auction, and so luckily they are willing to come down in price. Since it's been about 3 months now, it was going to be with some fees and something too, around $1,000, but they're willing to take just $603 to be exact. So I'm extending the Sculpt-A-Thon another day today, and I'll be putting up the videos of the winter toddler face redo. She turned out really adorable as well. I will have a new sculpt box available for you tomorrow. I should have some pictures up tonight of what he's gonna look like. So there's a hint for you. But I'm also gonna give you another hint. He'll go very well with one of our cold and sparkly dolls so far. So anyway, I'm excited to show him to you as I get him done, and that will be available soon right away. If you'd like to order the new sculpt box, there's 2 ways to do it. You can just order it standalone on my site, or you can join the Sculpt Box membership, and for people in the US, that will come with free shipping. I will also have the kits ready for you tomorrow, as well as a few more of our favorite sculpt boxes for this time of year that are available as a download only. So that's also in the shop, and so then you're able to access those immediately and get started just using clay and supplies of your own in that case. I've also put up many dolls for sale on my site. If you just go to the shop section of the Ko-fi site, then you'll be able to see the different dolls that I have. And if there's one that you like and it's a little bit more than you can afford, shoot me a message and we'll talk and see what we can do. I definitely want to be able to share works of art with you, and also be able to get these hiccups that are coming along solved, so I can get back to just focusing on the sculpting, creating the videos, and making sure that my customers are all well cared for. Thank you so much for your support and assistance as I am getting my life situated. I'm happy to say I am doing a lot better, and even though this past week was pretty strenuous, and then a lot of stress coming up with the unexpected rent situation, that, you know, for the most part I kept going, so that was good. I did have to take a few hours, like 5-hour break here or there, to cry for a bit and take a nap. And then yesterday I did just take the day off because I just was finally exhausted with it. But I'm ready to go again today, so I'm glad to see that my energy is starting to come back, and especially the more as I feel directed and positive, and that things are going to work out and get better, because I think some of the reason it was taking me so long to come back in a way that I could stick was that I was just so overwhelmed and still trying to bite off more than I could chew. So first step is to make sure that things are running well enough so I can make a living and be able to survive as we do this, and then make sure that everybody is well taken care of, and then moving forward with fun projects and things to create in the future. I'd love to hear your ideas, so feel free to share them in the comments, or drop by my Ko-fi site and just drop me a message. There are a few different ways that you can help me reach the $600 goal, so I can so I can access more of the tools that help me bring you great videos, and also to be able to have access to my inventory to make sure all my orders are able to be filled as well. The easiest way is to just stop by the Ko-fi site and you can give a tip or donation. Any amount helps, and I have the goal posted on there too, so you can see publicly as I get closer to that amount and getting that goal met. Another way to help is I have several dolls that are available for purchase on the site at really inexpensive prices. This is also so I can be raising funds. So if you've ever wanted to have a one-of-a-kind artwork and have a doll there that you can reference yourself, especially if it's the type that you would like to be able to sculpt yourself, this is a good time to get it because they're all priced very low right now. I also have several of my downloadable video sets available for you, some that are especially great for Valentine's, Easter, and also Lucky the Leprechaun we've got going on too. I'm going to be having the Bunny Baby Sculpt Box available, and this time you will also gain access to all of those videos of the 2 different face redos that I did. So from this point forward, the Bunny Baby video will also contain those videos. Those 2 face videos will also be available for sale separately too. I have many video sets that are offered very inexpensively, and usually one each week that is quite inexpensive, like $5 or so. So anyway, please stop by and see if anything appeals to you. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope that you enjoyed these videos that I'm making. So I'm going to get back to work and keep bringing some great content to you. Take care.